This video shows how to attach a ramp that transitions from shore to your Feather-LITE dock. This blue thread lock will prevent the bolts from rattling loose when there's vibration on the ramp. Each ramp hinge will receive 2 of these threaded bars that get inserted into the track on the side of the Feather-LITE frame. Go ahead and attach your hinge to the side of the Feather-LITE frame, but leave it just loose enough so you can align your ramp with these hinges. Now you can bring your ramp over and make sure your hinges are in the exact spot you want them before tightening. Use a large Phillips screwdriver to get these bolts as tight as you can, and then attach the ramp using the hinge pins. The ramp hinge allows you to pivot your ramp up or down from your shoreline to the deck surface. Feather-LITE docks come with either perforated decking or cedar deck panels. The cedar deck panels is what I've chosen for this video. The cedar panels have a latch underneath that holds them down. Attaching that ramp was quite easy. The low profile makes a nice transition from shore to the dock.